Now let's talk about sets. A set in Python is an unordered collection of unique elements. Sets are mutable, meaning that we can add or remove items from them. However, the items themselves are immutable. Creating a set is simple. You just need to put your elements inside curly braces, or alternatively, you can use the set constructor. Let's see an example. So in our Python project, I will create new Python file and name it sets. Okay, at first I will create a set using curly braces. Okay, here I have just created the set using curly braces. The next method is to use set function. Okay, I will so try to print second set. Okay, let's try to run our script. And yes, we can see that in output we have two sets. The first set is created by using curly braces, and the second step was created by using set constructor. Sets in Python come with variety of operations, including union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. Okay, let's see an example. So the first operation will be union. Set 1, set 2. It's union operation. The second operation is intersection. The third operation is difference. Set 1 minus my set 2. And the next operation is symmetric difference. Okay, let's try to run our Python script again. And yes, we can see that in the first two lines, we can see what we have in our sets. So this is set 1, set 2. The first operation that we discussed was union. So here we have all unique elements from set 1 and set 2. In the second operation, we've got all elements that occur in the first and second steps. So in our example is 4 and 5. In the third operation, we have a difference between set1 and set2, and we can see that we've got only 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. And yes, the last operation is symmetric difference. So in output, we've got 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8.